we got Devon Hall here out of Virginia going to the Oklahoma City Thunder at number 53, Harris.
Good two-way player, can shoot very well, and he's a lefty. They got a lefty shooter. I love lefties. Good defender, like I said. He can defend multiple positions. Got good length at the guard position, 6'5", 205. My number 14 overall point guard. He was part of that Virginia team that, lost to UMBC. So, take that with, as you want to. But he can't dribble, which as a point guard is kind of an issue. I think he projects more to be a shooting guard in the NBA. I think he is the answer to what happens if Andre Roberson gets injured again. Devon Hall. That's the answer for you. The Thunder simply did not have anyone who could come in and replace him last year. They get their guy here. Good pick, quality second-round pick. I'd be surprised overall if he ends up being in the NBA next season.